So there's a whole wave of Instagram who has banned, disabled, or suspended a lot of people's Instagram accounts. The whole Reddit, Quora, and all the platforms are witness to that. So why is Instagram doing that, and what is the solution, and how you can actually recover your Instagram accounts? So the very first and most important thing you can do is you can simply appeal the decision which you will get under your account suspension. When you get a notification that your account has been suspended, there will be a button which will have the option to appeal this decision. You have to simply press this appeal button and follow the on-screen instructions and wait for Instagram to process your case and see if your account gets unbanned. This is the first thing you can do. But if this thing didn't work and Instagram has rejected your appeal or it doesn't work, this is because you are simply hitting your head against AI. Instagram has implemented AI in its system, which is not just accurate. So the second thing you can do is you can send a manual review to the support of Instagram to help you out. So for that purpose, you need to first of all create another Instagram account and go to your profile, tap on these three lines available at the top right corner of the screen. Next, you have to scroll through this page to the end, and here under more info and support, you get an option help and tap on report a problem. Next, you have to hop into report problem without shaking and tap on include and continue. Here you can briefly explain your issue, which can be like this: hello, my name is ABC, or any name you can write here for yours. And my original Instagram account was disabled or suspended for literally no reason. I didn't violate any kind of Instagram policy. You can assure that by taking a look at my account suspension case. Next, you have to write in your username, and after writing a thanks, you can also attach a screenshot of your account suspension and simply send this appeal and just wait for 24 to 48 hours and Instagram should respond within that time duration. Hope it helps, and do let me know in the comments that which thing worked for you and you got your Instagram account unsuspended or not. Thank you so much.